Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 1975 Datsun Sunny truck. It's by Hotwheels, it's part of their mainline. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So I'm not sure if it's new for 2025, but I think it was new for 2024. Again, it looks good. First thing you will notice is the paint job, and you will notice how low this truck is. It's not like usual American trucks which are really high and big. Since it's a Japanese truck, so the steering is on the right hand side. It's also got the fuel filler on the same side, detailed door handle. It's got number 58 written, Hotwheels Datsun, and you can see these wheel flares or wheel arches are aftermarket. It's got wider ones. Now let's go to the front. Again, good details up front. You've got detailed headlamp. You got turn indicators which are detailed, chrome bumper. Again, I'm not sure if these came with chrome bumpers, but it kind of looks alright. Got the windshield wipers. Misses out on the mirrors though. I still don't understand why. But it doesn't do that. Passenger side looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler cap. Wheels, these are very JDM like classic design with those 3-spoke design. It's a regular cab, so you got only 2 doors and this big bed. Now if you look at the bed, it's long. It's got some stuff in it. I'm not sure what it is. This one looks like a suitcase, but might be something else too. I have no idea what the other stuff is there. It looks good. And you can also see this small, I think this is for tying stuff, hooks, not sure. Going to the back, bumper delete there. I think tail lamps would be here, but again, it's not detailed. And this is how the base looks. And the reason I think it's new for 2024 is because of this. I might be wrong. But overall, I think it looks like a nice little casting for a mainline. And will go good with other Datsun, especially the 510. I'm not sure if it's based on the 510. It will look good with it. So, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.